Hi, I'm Kelsi. I am the instructor for the Computer Integrated Machining program here at Haywood Community College. I'm passionate about the program doing well and growing the program and making sure we have everything that we need to provide a really top tier education is because I came from the program. I you know am a lot older than people think I am. I just turned 39. And so I was kind of at a point years back where I just didn't really have a clue where I wanted to go or what I wanted to be. And I decided I was going to come back to school and I was going to get a degree in something. Didn't matter what at the time when I thought of the process, I just wanted to start on a track that made me feel like I was participating and becoming part of my community. And machining really spoke to me. I deal with ADHD. It's something that has always been a battle for me. And the idea of getting into something that allowed me to be busy, to be working with my hands, to have something to really focus on, and I wasn't stuck behind a desk staring at a computer screen, wishing I was home. So I got into the program, and everything just clicked for me. It was something that I really resonated with. I fully enjoyed being able to work with my hands and be creative and find an outlet that was also something that would turn into a really beneficial career. And so going from figuring out how much I loved it to getting my degree to finding out that it actually intertwines very well with my history of working jobs where I would become a trainer. Like they would pick me to be a trainer almost immediately because it's just how I was as a person. I was very comfortable with teaching people things. And so suddenly mixing my knowledge of machining with my comfort in the realm of teaching became a perfect career path for me. And so when I started teaching here, it was a huge change for me. Everything kind of just got better in my life. And then obviously it had this huge passion light for me to make this program the best it could be because I wanted to make sure other people got what I got from it.